Hello, my crafty friends. It's Trisha Clark with Sparkle Farts Paper Crafts, and today for something completely different. This is not a flip through. It is not a tutorial. I really just wanted to give you a sneak peek on the things that I'm currently working on. I mentioned in my last video, I always have a gazillion projects going on at one time. The ADHD brain is a magical thing and a frustrating thing sometimes, but I get bored really easy, and so I need to be able to flip back and forth between different projects when I either get stuck or feel burned out. And so I want to show you all the things that I have in progress right now because I want your input on what you would like to see more videos of. Is it the flip throughs? Is it a certain project? Is it a certain kit or theme that you'd like to see worked with? So without any further ado, here's what I have sort of on the to-do list, if you will. I currently have these two journals in progress. This is using Wild Rose Bohemian's Americana collection. I am part of her membership on her Ko-fi page, and she has some beautiful kits and very, very generous. The kits, again, are huge, and so I had to make more than one. So this one is my first slow stitch project. This is the cover. I got a journal cover kit from Two Sisters Jam, and I thought it was perfect for this kit. And so this is my first slow stitch here. And I still need to do the inside and put the cover all together. And I think the inside is going to be this, a combination of. So I still need to do that. So talking about slow stitching, and again, this is my first slow stitch project, so I am not an expert. I think probably watching me stitch, that would be like watching paint dry. But it could be more of doing this kit, this Americana kit, and how that's all going to get built out. That could be an option. And along with that kit is this journal, so another signature. They're both very similar. But do you want to see process videos of making ephemera for these, or different types of journal cover construction? So that's why I wanted to show you those. Getting ready for the 4th of July. I have a few Bee Happy stationery kits, and I know I shared a paper bag journal a couple weeks ago, and I got a request on Whatnot for some more of those. And so I printed out Whimsical Woodland. I think you've seen Paula's cards made with this. It's an adorable kit. Bright colors, vivid imagery of all the cute woodland creatures. And so I thought that would be a cute paper bag journal. And then I thought I would do some version of the nautical folio or a paper bag journal with the Fungi Foragers kit. So here's a sneak peek of that kit. And then another Bee Happy stationery is this Steampunk kit. Now, I'm going to be part of her Junk Journal July collaboration, and I know I'll be working with the Steampunk kit some for that. But I thought in the meantime, I might start on a folio or an accordion book. So again, if that's something that you would like to see, whether it's creating steampunk ephemera or you want to see the construction of a folio or a accordion book, let me know. And then the last one that I'm super duper excited about, and I've been planning it since October. This one will not ever be for sale. This one is going to be mine forever and ever. But I found this scrapbook in a flea market in Alabama, and it's leather. And I found some papyrus paper. And this is somebody's scrapbook from 1946, their trip to Cairo. And Frank J. Stanley. Now, none of the pictures were left in it, but I've gone through and strengthened it with fabric. And I'm gonna put it back together with that leather strap. But this is going to be more of a lap book when I'm done. And the kits I'm using for that are going to be Tracie Fox from Love Junk Journals. I've got her Papyrus Phenomena kit, and then I also have Dash of Dave. I have his kit to play with as well. I think they're going to coordinate really nicely together. We're going to turn it kind of into a bit of a mystery using, it's one of the CPI cases of Tracie's. And then I found this little Egyptian Book of the Dead at Five Below and thought this would be really fun to make different ephemera and pockets with. So your options are, what I would love to hear from you in the comments is, do you want to see more videos working on the Egyptian project? Do you want to see a steampunk folio or accordion book? Do you want to see paper bag journals of the whimsical kits or a tutorial on a paper bag journal? Or do you want to see more videos making ephemera for the Americana journals? Please give me your comments. Sometimes I have a hard time deciding, and so this will really help me understand what kind of content you want to see more of on the channel and which projects are the most exciting. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.